describe where you were with your mouth before being referred?
A mess. My teeth, I had had all of my teeth taken out. I thought that I could go with and be happy with just dentures. And I was very wrong. So I contacted Dr. Gurney, and that was the start of my relationship with this office. The staff here is more like a family. They welcome you, they're so happy. As soon as you walk in, they meet you one time, they know your name, they know everything about you. Just very welcoming. When they first talked to me as far as porcelain, as far as different types, I really didn't realize as far as what the difference would make, and it made all the difference. I feel like I have better than real teeth, if that can even be a thing. I can now eat anything that I want. Like the other night, I actually ate I feel like a real person. I had a piece of pizza, and I didn't have to cut it all in little pieces like a little child. I could just eat a piece of pizza. I could eat a hamburger. I can eat a steak. I can eat whatever I want to, and I haven't been able to do that for over 2 years at least. I would say probably 5 years because of the shape my teeth were in before that.